This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Hardison. Delightful craftsman-style home in charming waterfront neighborhood. Highlights include large living room with decorative fireplace, updated kitchen, remodeled baths, with custom tiled shower, and large laundry/mud room off of kitchen. Covered front porch and shady backyard with small deck offer endless outdoor possibilities. 2-zone central air, low maintenance vinyl siding and gleaming hardwood floors. Central location, only minutes to the Naval Hospital, Norfolk tunnels or interstate. For more information, review the details below.